Welcome to our exploration of endocrinology, the fascinating branch of medicine that studies hormones and how they regulate the body's functions. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel through the bloodstream, influencing everything from growth and metabolism to mood and reproduction. In this video, we'll uncover how the endocrine system works, the major glands involved, and why hormonal balance is crucial for overall health. Whether you're curious about how your body maintains stability or interested in medical science, this journey will provide clear insights into the world of hormones. Hormones are powerful chemicals produced by glands in the endocrine system. They act as messengers, carrying instructions to different parts of the body. For example, insulin helps control blood sugar while adrenaline prepares the body for action. Each hormone has a specific role, and even small changes in hormone levels can have significant effects on health. Understanding hormones helps explain why we feel hungry, tired, stressed, or happy at different times. Let's dive deeper into how these messengers keep our bodies in sync. Endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and release hormones. These glands include the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, and more. Each gland has a unique function, but they all work together to maintain balance in the body. The endocrine system interacts closely with the nervous system, ensuring that our bodies respond appropriately to internal and external changes. This coordination is essential for survival, growth, and adaptation. Often called the master gland, the pituitary gland is located at the base of the brain. It controls other endocrine glands by releasing hormones that regulate growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Despite its small size, the pituitary gland has a big impact on the body's overall function. It responds to signals from the brain and helps maintain homeostasis or internal balance by adjusting hormone levels as needed. Thyroid gland, located in the neck, produces hormones that regulate metabolism, energy, and growth. Thyroid hormones influence how quickly the body uses energy and how sensitive it is to other hormones. When the thyroid is overactive or underactive, it can lead to health problems like weight changes, fatigue, or mood swings. Maintaining proper thyroid function is essential for overall well-being. Sitting atop the kidneys, the adrenal glands produce hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones help the body respond to stress, regulate metabolism, and maintain blood pressure. The adrenal glands play a key role in the fight or flight response, preparing the body to react quickly in emergencies. Proper adrenal function is vital for managing stress and staying healthy. Pancreas is both an endocrine and digestive organ. It produces insulin and glucagon, hormones that control blood sugar levels. When you eat, the pancreas releases insulin to help cells absorb glucose for energy. If blood sugar drops, glucagon signals the liver to release stored glucose. Balanced pancreatic function is crucial for energy and preventing conditions like diabetes. Located behind the thyroid, the parathyroid glands regulate calcium levels in the blood. They release parathyroid hormone, which helps maintain strong bones and proper nerve and muscle function. Even small changes in calcium can affect the heart, muscles, and nerves, making these tiny glands essential for health. The pineal gland is a small, pea-shaped gland in the brain that produces melatonin. Melatonin helps regulate sleep-wake cycles, signaling when it's time to sleep or wake up. Proper function of the pineal gland supports healthy sleep patterns, which are important for overall health and well-being. The ovaries in females and testes in males are key reproductive glands. They produce sex hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. These hormones control sexual development, fertility, and secondary sex characteristics. Hormonal balance in these glands is essential for reproductive health and overall vitality. Hormonal regulation relies on feedback loops, especially negative feedback. When hormone levels rise or fall, the body senses these changes and adjusts production to maintain balance. For example, if thyroid hormone levels get too high, the pituitary reduces its stimulating signal. This self-regulating system keeps the body stable and healthy. Growth hormone, produced by the pituitary gland, stimulates growth in children and helps maintain tissues and organs throughout life. It influences height, muscle mass, and bone strength. Imbalances can lead to conditions like gigantism or dwarfism. Proper growth hormone levels are vital for healthy development. Insulin and glucagon are key hormones from the pancreas that regulate blood sugar. Insulin lowers blood sugar by helping cells absorb glucose, while glucagon raises it by signaling the liver to release stored sugar. This balance ensures the body has enough energy and prevents dangerous swings in blood sugar levels. Cortisol, produced by the adrenal glands, is known as the stress hormone. It helps the body respond to stress, control inflammation, and regulate metabolism. While short bursts of cortisol are helpful, chronic high levels can lead to health problems like weight gain, high blood pressure, and weakened immunity. Adrenaline, also from the adrenal glands, prepares the body for quick action in emergencies. It increases heart rate, boosts energy, and sharpens focus. This fight or flight response is essential for survival, but too much adrenaline over time can cause anxiety and other health issues. Thyroid hormones, mainly thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3, regulate metabolism, heart rate, and body temperature. They affect how quickly the body uses energy and how efficiently organs function. Imbalances can lead to conditions like hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, impacting weight, energy, and mood. Sex hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone are produced by the ovaries and testes. They control sexual development, reproductive cycles, and secondary sex characteristics such as body hair and voice changes. Balanced sex hormones are important for fertility, mood, and overall health. Melatonin, produced by the pineal gland, helps regulate the body's sleep-wake cycle. It responds to darkness by signaling that it's time to sleep. Good melatonin levels support restful sleep, which is essential for memory, mood, and immune function. Parathyroid hormone and calcitonin work together to regulate calcium levels in the blood. Parathyroid hormone increases calcium by releasing it from bones, while calcitonin lowers calcium by storing it in bones. This balance is vital for strong bones, nerve function, and muscle contraction. Hormonal imbalances can occur when glands produce too much or too little hormone. This can lead to symptoms like fatigue, weight changes, mood swings, or reproductive issues. Common causes include stress, illness, or genetic factors. Recognizing and treating imbalances is key to restoring health. Diabetes is a common endocrine disorder caused by problems with insulin production or action. It leads to high blood sugar, which can damage organs over time. Managing diabetes involves monitoring blood sugar, healthy eating, and sometimes medication. Early detection and treatment are crucial for preventing complications. Thyroid disorders include hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid, and hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid. Symptoms can range from fatigue and weight gain to anxiety and rapid heartbeat. Treatment depends on the type and severity of the disorder, but restoring hormone balance is always the goal. Adrenal disorders like Addison's disease or Cushing's syndrome result from abnormal hormone production. Symptoms may include fatigue, weight changes, and blood pressure problems. Diagnosis and treatment are important for restoring normal adrenal function and improving quality of life. Hormonal imbalances in the ovaries or testes can lead to reproductive disorders such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, or low testosterone. These conditions may cause irregular cycles, infertility, or other health concerns. Early diagnosis and treatment can help manage symptoms and improve reproductive health. Growth hormone and other hormones like thyroid hormone and sex hormones work together to support normal growth and development. Imbalances can affect height, muscle mass, and bone strength. Monitoring growth in children helps detect and treat hormone problems early. Hormones like thyroid hormone, insulin, and cortisol play major roles in metabolism. They determine how the body uses and stores energy. Imbalances can lead to weight gain, fatigue, or metabolic disorders. Maintaining hormonal balance supports a healthy metabolism and energy levels. Hormones like serotonin, cortisol, and sex hormones can influence mood and emotions. Imbalances may contribute to anxiety, depression, or irritability. Understanding the hormonal basis of mood helps in managing mental health and seeking appropriate support. Hormones like cortisol and sex hormones can influence the immune system. For example, high cortisol can suppress immunity, while balanced hormones support the body's defense against illness. Hormonal health is closely tied to immune strength and resilience. As we age, hormone levels naturally change. This can affect metabolism, bone density, mood, and reproductive function. Understanding these changes helps in managing symptoms and maintaining health throughout life. Healthy lifestyle choices can support hormonal balance as we age. In summary, endocrinology and hormonal regulation are central to health and well-being. Hormones control growth, metabolism, mood, and more. The endocrine system's complex network of glands and feedback loops keeps our bodies in balance. Understanding how hormones work empowers us to recognize symptoms, seek help when needed, and make choices that support lifelong health.